Hello guys, welcome to a new video of this Poco F3 GT. So recently this Poco F3 GT got a new software update, which is the MIUI 12.5.4 update with June security patch. This update came with a size of over 120 MB. This update includes some performance and overall stability improvement for this device. Now in today's video, let's find out the benchmark scores of this device by running Antutu and Geekbench 5. Now without wasting any more time, let's start the testing of this Poco F3 GT. So first we will start our testing with Antutu benchmark, and here we will run the Antutu benchmark for couple of times and we will see how much the performance throttles. After that we will add this app into gaming mode and we will see after adding to gaming mode if it is able to maintain a stable performance or not. Now let's quickly open the Antutu benchmark. So now the test is started. Let's wait till it completes and I will tell you the score which we got at the first attempt of Antutu benchmark. So guys, as you can see, the test is completed and the score is around 5,91,000, which is pretty good in my opinion. Now let's do one thing. Let's run the Antutu benchmark for 1 or 2 times more and we will see how much the score is decreasing. So guys, as you can see, the second run is also completed and the score is around 5,87,000. And in the second run, the score decreased by 4,000 points. Now let's run Antutu benchmark for one more time and we will see how much the score is decreasing. So guys, the third run also is completed and the score is around 5,28,000. And if you see in this run, the score reduced drastically. And guys, after running the Antutu benchmark for 3 times continuously, the device temperature is not too much, and when I'm holding, I'm feeling comfortable. Now let's do one thing. Let's add this Antutu benchmark in gaming mode and let's try to run again and we will see what score we get and whether there is any performance improvement or not. So guys, as you can see, I have added the Antutu benchmark in gaming mode. Now let's run the benchmark again and we will see what score we get. So guys, the test is started now. Let's wait till it completes and we will see what score we get. So guys, the test is completed and as you can see, the score is around 5,76,000. So after adding the Antutu benchmark into gaming mode, this device got some performance boost and the score also increased drastically. So in terms of Antutu, this device is really performing good and whatever scores we are getting, that is falling between 5 to 6 lakh, which is pretty good in my opinion, and that is a flagship score guys. After that, let's see the Geekbench 5 scores of this Poco F3 GT after MIUI 12.5.4. First we will run in normal mode, then we will run using the gaming mode. So now the run is started guys. Let's wait till it completes and we will see the scores. So guys, the test is completed and as you can see the scores on the screen. In the single core it is 829 and in the multi-core this device scored around 2689, which is pretty good. And in terms of raw CPU performance, these scores are really high and I would say these scores are awesome. Now for your reference, if I show you the Geekbench 5 scores of the earlier MIUI version, then as you can see in the single core the score was around 681 and in the multi-core it was around 2447, which is far less than the current version. And if you see in the current version, definitely the raw CPU performance has been improved. Now that was in the normal mode. Now let's run the Geekbench 5 using the gaming mode and we will see what score we are getting. First let me add the app into the gaming mode. So guys, I have added the Geekbench 5 into the gaming mode. Now let's run the Geekbench 5 again and we will see what score we are getting. So guys, the test is completed and as you can see the scores on the screen. In the single core it scored around 820 and in the multi-core it scored around 2835, which is pretty good. If I show you the score difference between the normal mode and the gaming mode, you can see in the normal mode the single core score was better and in the gaming mode the multi-core score is higher. So these scores are very good, and in terms of your day-to-day uses or your casual uses, you will not have any issues in terms of CPU performance. So that's it guys in today's video for the benchmark scores of this POCO F3 GT after MIUI 12.5.4. and as you saw in the Antutu and Geekbench 5, this device is really scoring better, and whatever scores we are getting, those are very high. And by seeing these scores, I can say that this device will definitely perform better in your day-to-day usage, whether you do casual usage or you do heavy usage. And if you see this scores, even when you do heavy gaming and all, that time also this device will give you a stable performance. So guys, as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you enjoyed really, then give a like. Also, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel and support this small tech channel to grow. If you have any doubt or question regarding this POCO F3 GT, you can directly ask me in the comment section below, and I will definitely answer your question. If you are facing any sort of problem or issues with your POCO F3 GT, then let me know in the comment section below so that I can put those things in my upcoming videos.